This is the Kiev Railway Station. Inside of it, this is the entire facade. It's huge. You have this stuff in here. And this is our luggage, and that's Koshi standing there. We have nothing to do for the next 3 hours, standing and whiling our time away. Okay. I'm going to show you the way to the platform. There it goes. Hi, this is me. And we're here. We're going to waste time for 3 hours. And this is the Kiev Railway Station. We're tired, just had our pizza. It was delicious. Nice meeting you all. Press the OK button again. This is the main entrance to it. I'm getting out of the station, trying to give you a view of Kiev. Wait, excuse me. That's a church. Today is very, very dreary day. Not a hint of sunlight. It's 4:30. It's supposed to be daylight here, but it's all overcast. I don't know why. That's the city of Kiev right here, and that's a KFC. Yay, yes, I think you can. I want to try to show you. Oh, it's raining. Damn. Nah, god damn it. Gotta get down into the station. So this is how the station looks. Right, there you go. I'm gonna get in because it's raining. There is the big waterfall, and the watch behind it, it says 4:20 p.m. This is the fruit vending machine. Even I have seen it for the first time here. Never seen it before. Never mind. These are some other machine stuff for the ATM, for coffee. This is where we had our pizza. Huh. What?
Do a circle, reach there. Circle, the circle.
This circle, wanna go there? Sure.